Hi everyone, Sat Shri Akal. Welcome to my channel. Let's talk a little about Korean skincare today. Well, I've got a package with me which was sent by a company called VT Cosmetics and it came all the way from Korea. Now this is in collaboration with a K-pop band called BTS. K-pop is a popular music genre which originated in South Korea. If you want to know more about them, just Google and you will find a lot more information. Now this is the second package that I've received from VT Cosmetics. The earlier one had a toner, moisturizer and some face packs, and I liked them a lot actually, and I did review them and I talked about them on my Instagram as well. If you want to know more about those, if you want to buy them, so I'll share the links in my description box. Now this one is all about a particular range. How would I know? Because I've already opened it. This is a new package. The earlier one, the one it originally came in, was spoiled and damaged. I mean, you know, it came from Korea to Dubai, so it was meant to be that ways around. So I've changed the packing, but I know what's inside, and it has a particular range called Cica Care. Cica, which is scientifically called Centella asiatica, is a herb which is commonly known as Indian pennywort. Tigers are said to rub their wounds on this Asian plant to help them heal, hence it's also called tiger grass. It is rich in antioxidants, anti-inflammatories, and it has antibacterial properties. It is quite common in Korean skincare these days, and people who struggle with acne or even severe dryness can benefit from it. So before I take these products out, let me tell you, I'm gonna try all of these products on my face. So it will be one unboxing video as well. At the same time, I can share my experience about these products with you. To begin with, we have all the 7 BTS boys. Now this is a paper figure stand, I believe. Yes. Now let me show you what all products are in here. We begin with this, which is a Cica smoother. Now this is quite a heavy tube which has about 300 ml of product in it. All the information is written in Korean except the ingredients, and it smells little natural, leafy, medicinal. So this is what my first impression is about this. So Cica Smoother is a multi-moisturizing gel, and it can be used exactly how we use aloe vera gel. So it can be used for the entire body, as a soother, as a smoother. I also use it as a primer before applying my makeup, and it works pretty well. Next is this, which is a Cica cream, and the same description similarity continues. Yeah, the ingredients only are in English. So it has about 50 ml of product in it. So once I open it, okay, it smells of something which is natural, again leafy, something which is good for your skin. I don't know why, I'm feeling it. I mean, that's my feeling about it. Although they call it cream, but it has a gel kind of consistency. It absorbs perfectly in the skin, but at the same time it is lightweight. Next is this, which is a natural eye gel patch. I open it. Wow, there is a small container. I'm really liking the packaging, let me tell you. Okay, so it has a small spatula, and I open this lid. Wow. Well, these are definitely leaves crushed into this thing. I'm quite optimistic about the results, and I'm quite excited about using these. This is called eye gel patch, but you can use it under your eyes, on the forehead, next to your mouth. It's a very thin sheet of patch, and it can be picked with a spatula which is given in the box. It's quite thin, but it gives the required moisture to the eyes and to all the areas where it is applied. Next is a Cica capsule mask. Now here is a little cheating because I've already used one. I was so excited to use a mask, and these came handy, and I used one of these. So these are small little face masks which are in here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then the 10th one I used. So this mask has green tea powder which helps in calming tired and dull skin. All you need to do is wash your face and then apply it gently all over the face, and then leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse it off with lukewarm water. I did not find it stingy or stretchy, and it did leave my skin looking a little bit bright and more moisturized. Next is the Cica emulsion. Again, only the ingredients are in English. So I open it, and oh wow, It smells that of cleansing milk. This Cica emulsion is a light water fluid type moisturizer which absorbs in the skin easily. Well, it claims to give dry skin a moisture boost, but I found it to be very lightweight. So for someone like me who has oily skin, or if you're looking for a light face moisturizer for summers, this is a perfect option. Next is a Cica hydration essence. Once I open it, yeah, so here it is. Now because it is hydration essence, I believe it has some hydrating moisturizing properties, so it might be a serum kind of thing. Cica hydration essence looks like a serum, but it doesn't feel so. It is very lightweight and 1 or 2 pumps are enough for your entire face. It is very good for dry and dehydrated skin which is looking to replenish moisture. At the same time, it maintains healthy oil and moisture balance in the skin. So it is used for clear glowing complexion. Last product in the box. Oh, this is heavy. So this is the Cica Daily Soothing Mask. Okay, I opened it. I think I need to pull something out of this box. And how do I open it? That was something. Okay, so there are many masks in there. So using these sheet masks is fairly easy. Just pull one out from the box like a tissue with the tongs which are already given. After cleansing your face well, place this mask sheet on the entire face and remove it after 10 to 15 minutes or once you feel it is dry. Then gently pat to fully absorb the remaining essence. The moisturizing factor was really good. The essence was actually dripping from the face mask and it really felt so good on my skin. So we have got eye gel patch, emulsion, cream, face mask, smoother, hydration essence and this soothing mask. So there are a total of 7 products, and if you want to know more about them or you want to buy them, I'll try to link the details of these in the description box below. So I hope you liked today's video. In case you have any queries about these, please write in the comment section below. If you have liked today's video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself, stay healthy, stay blessed. Bye bye.